Hey there, SEO enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your local search rankings to the next level? Well, you're in the right place. If you want to rank higher in local search, you need to leverage Schema Markup. Schema Markup is a powerful tool that helps search engines understand the context of your business, making it easier for them to display your information accurately in search results. But let's be honest, coding it manually? That's a headache. The lines of code can be overwhelming, and one small mistake can throw everything off. It's time-consuming and frustrating, especially if you're not a coding expert. That's why I'm here to show you our Schema Generator. The link to the free tool is in the description below. This tool is designed to simplify the process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical skills. In just a few clicks, you can create perfectly formatted JSON-LD markup for your business, without touching a single line of code. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to use. First, choose your schema type. Our tool offers a variety of options to suit different business needs. Whether it's local business, organization, service, FAQ, or review, just click and go. Easy, right? Each schema type is tailored to provide the most relevant information for that category, ensuring that search engines get a clear picture of what your business is all about. Next, enter your business details. This step is crucial because it's the information that search engines will use to understand your business. Fill in the fields: business name, address, website, phone number, social media links. This is what Google uses to understand your entity. The more accurate and detailed your information, the better your chances of appearing in relevant search results. Just plug in the information. Our user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to input all the necessary details without any hassle. Then, click Generate Schema, and boom, your JSON-LD markup is ready. No coding required, it's that simple. The tool does all the heavy lifting for you, converting your input into clean, error-free code. Finally, validate and implement your schema. This step ensures that your markup is correctly formatted and will be recognized by search engines. Copy your schema and test it with Google's Rich Results tool. This tool helps you see how your markup will appear in search results and ensures that everything is working as it should. If everything looks good, add it to your website section or use Google Tag Manager, easy peasy. This final step integrates your schema markup into your site, making it live for search engines to crawl. Schema markup is an essential part of modern SEO. It not only helps search engines understand your content but also enhances your visibility in search results, leading to more traffic and potential customers. With our Schema Generator, you can get it done in seconds. No more struggling with code or worrying about errors. Just simple, effective schema markup that boosts your SEO. Try it now. The link to the free schema tool is in the video description below. Get your schema now. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your local SEO effortlessly. Give it a try and see the difference it can make for your business.